So 1099B form. A lot of individuals don't know that we don't have to report when you sell over 10,000 ounces of American Silver Eagles to us. And people say, wait, I don't have to pay taxes on American Silver Eagles when I sell it? Welcome everyone, my name is Jose and I'm a stacker. I love buying gold and silver and I want to talk about American Silver Eagles versus foreign silver and whether you should consider one over another and what are the pros and cons. Why would you buy an American Silver Eagle versus a Britannia or a Canadian Silver Maple Leaf? Well, there's a lot to consider. What is your exit strategy when buying? Because a lot of people focus on, hey, what should I buy? But very few think about what is my exit strategy with everything that I'm investing into. So let's get into it. Let's start with an American Silver Eagle. Why should you consider buying it? If you're an American or you live in the United States, American Silver Eagle is the most liquid silver product you can have. It's a bullion that is recognized across the United States. It will be bought by anyone who buys bullion. American Silver Eagles will not have the situation of a backwardation where you're unable to liquidate it, such as the events that are occurring in 2025 when trying to sell 90% silver to refineries. I want to remind you, at Summit Metals, we buy back all silver that we sell to the public, so you shouldn't have that issue with us. With the refineries, that's a different story. With American Silver Eagles, you need to also consider the purchase entry. It does have a higher premium on the onset. However, when you go and sell it, you get a better buyback price. As of October 2025, making this video, we buy all American Silver Eagles at $2 over spot. But if you were to sell foreign silver, you may get below spot. That is a spread. You should consider this when purchasing your silver bullion. Foreign silver. There's a lot of benefits to it. You are able to buy more weight with foreign silver, and the mints, like Canadian Royal Mint, are made at a higher quality, as in they're 4.9 fine, or they have great security features, or they just look like amazing coins. Pretty cool coins compared to an American Silver Eagle. These are kind of the benefits that you should also be considering when buying it. I mentioned before at the start of the video, most individuals focus on the buying strategy, but very few investors think of their exit strategy. You should be considering what your exit strategy is at all times before you're making a purchase. I know in the industry today, when we look at multiple bullion dealers and multiple marketing avenues within the precious metal space, there's a tendency to continue selling and promoting the selling of bullion and to hold it forever. We believe that this is an asset and an asset should be used to be moved towards a different asset when the time comes. As in, if you hold gold and silver for a specified amount of time, you should in theory be unlocking the value to purchase a different asset down the line. A lot of people are focused right now on which should I buy, but also thinking about your exit strategy, which is often overlooked. First, before we get into anything, I need to destroy a myth. When you sell gold or silver to a bullion dealer, it gets reported to the IRS. That is false. It's a misunderstanding, and I want to just explain the difference of when it's reportable to the IRS. There's a form 8300, which a lot of people are accustomed to because they go to a local coin shop and they receive cash. When you sell something and you receive cash over $10,000, it is called a form 8300, which is reported to the IRS. When you sell to a bullion dealer like us, we need to report to IRS a form 1099B if you are selling over 1,000 ounces of silver or over 25 ounces of gold. So 1099B form. A lot of individuals don't know that we don't have to report when you sell over 10,000 ounces of American Silver Eagles to us. And people say, wait, I don't have to pay taxes on American Silver Eagles when I sell it? No, you do have to report it. We just don't have to do a 1099B form to report it to IRS. American Silver Eagles, when sold over 1,000 ounces, is not a reportable event from a bullion dealer to you because it is considered bullion or currency in the United States. American Silver Eagle can be used to pay taxes. Who would have known? You shouldn't do it. We don't recommend it. I don't recommend it. Don't do it. There's also nuances to this because the laws change. It may change from year to year. Always call us to ask and inquire. And to emphasize this, we are not financial advisors nor tax advisors. Please consult with your respective CPA. Now, what about foreign silver exit strategy? Now, some of you may not actually want to be holding your assets here in the United States. This is where foreign silver may be applicable and tax advantageous to you. What we've seen is individuals buy, let's say, a Britannia, and they take it to the UK, where in the UK, it's considered their own currency, thus not taxable. Foreign coins may be purchased here in the United States for the purpose of your diversification into other countries and other continents. This is a different play that you could use for your exit strategy and can be considered. So now you're trying to determine, well, I listened to your video, I'm seeing the exit strategy, I'm still unsure. Well, the breakdown is, if you intend on purchasing more than 1,000 ounces of silver over your lifetime, or more than 25 ounces of gold over your lifetime, it may be a good strategy to focus on American gold and American silver eagles as part of your overall portfolio assets. However, if you are determining that you want to move your assets to a foreign country, foreign bullion may be a better option for you. Then there's also the option of, I just want more weight for my silver. You may want to buy foreign silver because the premiums are lower and you're able to gain more weight of silver. However, the caveat is the spreads. How much can I get when I sell it back? It all depends on supply and demand. What specific coin is popular at the time of your exit strategy? To summarize everything, the smart choice is the one that fits your specific exit strategy needs. So I want you to make a good strategy, not just on your buying, but your exit. American Silver Eagles tend to be the silver standard for silver, pun intended. So, as mentioned, reach out to us, email us, call us, send us a message. We'll give you personalized advice on how to go about buying one product versus another. Not financial advice, but more so understanding the strategy on buying one specific type of bullion coin versus another. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and let us know what you think about today's video. More videos on exit strategies coming soon. Happy stacking, everyone.